Hi, Tom here from Green Engine Recording. I bought a Boss compressor sustainer recently, but I was confused by the controls on it as it's marked with some very cryptic words. So after playing around with it and doing some research, I found out what the controls actually do, and I thought other guitar players would appreciate knowing how to use this pedal properly. Coming from a studio background, the first thing I'd expect to see on a compressor is a threshold control. However, there isn't one. This has a fixed threshold with a high ratio, so the first control, sustain, is actually preamplification into the pedal to affect how hard you're hitting the threshold. Guitars with humbucker pickups are a lot hotter than single coil ones, so you're probably going to need a lower sustain or pre-gain level on a guitar with that kind of pickup. The next control is marked attack, but it actually controls both the attack and the release. Minimum will give you a fast attack and a slow release, while max will give you a slow attack and a fast release. So what does that mean in practice? Well, with a fast attack, you're going to start reducing the volume as soon as you pluck or strum the guitar. So this can help even out uneven playing on picked parts. Whereas a slow attack will let through the first transients, giving you more punch and reducing the note sustain. The tone control at 12 o'clock does nothing, but it boosts high frequencies at max or cuts them at min. Fast attack settings can make the sound feel thicker or more muddy, so you might want to use this to brighten it up to compensate. Now the last control is level, and this is basically makeup gain. So after any compression has reduced the level, you can boost it back up again here. Now here's a couple of examples of how it can sound with different settings. Here's a picked part with an amp on low gain without any compression. And here's the same part again with compression. You can hear how much more even it sounds. And here's a chugging riff with a high gain setting on the amp, first with no compression. And now here it is again with compression. Listen to how the attack is changed. So I'm actually going to relabel the pedal so I know what all the knobs do in the future. That's much better. I hope this helps you figure out how this pedal actually works. Now get out there and start using it. Happy gigging!